Hello, welcome to BlackTech Tutorials. Today we're going to talk about LearnDash and the LMS system, Learning Management System, and how to add an attachment to a lesson. And the attachment feature is not there on automatically, you have to turn it on. So there's an attachment for lessons and topics. Today we'll look at the lessons and how to set it up so that a class can have an attachment and your students can upload attachments as part of the lesson plan. So first, we want to log into your backend for your website. So normally, whatever your site name, WP-admin. So you log in, and assuming at this point you have LearnDash already. So I'm going to flip to the front end real quick and just show you the lesson before we add the attachment. Okay. So this is the before picture. So I'm going to log in as a student here. This is the front end for the students' accounts. Once they registered and have an account, then you can log in. Okay, so this is the front end dashboard for students. Now, this is one of the courses that this student myself is signed up for, and we're going to look at the week 2 lesson. Week 2. So if we look at that week 2 lesson plan, this is all you have right now. So there's nothing here for the week 2 lesson plan. We're going to go back. And now I'm going to flip back to my admin panel for WordPress on the LearnDash. So here we want to go to, on the left panel, under the LearnDash LMS, lessons here. And then we want to find that lesson that we talked about, or you can create a new one. But in this case, I want to work with the one I have, lesson 2. And if you're creating a new one, it's no big difference here. You just have to assign it to the course. So this is the lesson 2 lesson, and you want to go to settings. You got the lesson page, and then you have settings. So go to settings. Now, this is the key part. You have upload, assignment upload. You want to trigger that on. Now, once you selected that you want to have uploads, the file extension, you can limit this to whichever file extensions you want. So let's do the help. So if you leave this blank, it will do all types of any types of uploads. But if you just put in PDF, you're only gonna, it will only allow PDFs to be uploaded. So at this point, I want to put anything, whether it's Excel, zip files, docx files. I want those. So I'm going to leave this blank for now. And you can select what size, the maximum file size limits if you want that. And you can assign, whatever points for that upload. So I'll say give 3 points for that upload. Here, the manual grade of what you kind of want, auto approve, this is your option here. The file retention, you want to allow file deletion if you want or not. In a timer, we don't really care about that. Also, this part, you want to assign this to a course. If it's not already, if it's a new lesson, you can assign it to whichever course you already have. But in this case, we're going to select this one, the test course, and make it available immediately. Okay, so that should be all we need here. I'll just put some text on this lesson. This is a test upload for lesson plan. Okay. Correct that. So that should be all of the things. But again, the main thing is you turn on the assignment uploads. Now I'm going to update that and save it on the back end. Okay, and then I'm going to exit out of this. So now I'm back to my lessons here. Now I go back to the front end for my student. So what I'm going to do is let's go back to my dashboard. This is kind of refresh the panel and the pages, and then go back here to the test course that I was looking at, and it was lesson 2, week 2 lessons that I was working with. So now you have this option here for upload assignments with that maximum 512 meg size limit. So that is there. And now if you want to browse and go and find the file that is of interest, I'll do this one, and that's a JPEG file, and then I said upload. Okay, assignment successfully uploaded. Now is waiting for approval. So this must be approved, that assignment, um, before the student get any credit or anything for that. So that must be approved and it's waiting a review. So that is the process, and then I go back to my main classes. So that is the process by which you can allow the students to have attachments and upload them to your lesson plan. And again, you can do this for topics as well. I'm just going to briefly look at that for the topics here, and you just pick one here. And then once that topic is available, go to settings again, and you'll see the assignments for upload. You can trigger that on and then update. That's all you need to do. And now you'll be able to upload assignments for this particular course topic. I hope you guys learned something quickly from this, and that is all we have for this tutorial. Again, hit the like button if you got something out of this, and subscribe. Thank you.